Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to use a wide aperture to create a shallow depth of field. I call this shot the Mandalorian. I'll also show you my editing process. With the Mandalorian and Grogu theatrical release only a few months away, my brain is in full hype mode, so this week I decided to shoot an image that celebrates our favorite father and adopted son duo. I wanted to include Din's ship, the Razor Crest, so I opted for a forced perspective shot that combined the 1/12th scale of Star Wars The Black Series action figures with Micro Galaxy Squadron's 1/72nd scale model ships. As you can see, most of my setup was empty space. I placed Mando close to my camera lens and put a terrarium decoration way in the back. I used a large aperture to create a shallow depth of field, making the Razor Crest look further away than it really was. I also placed a battery-powered LED inside the ship to add some accent lighting to the shot. Finally, I posed Grogu in his floating pram and took my shot. Here's my starting image. This was a very simple edit. All I needed to do was remove the figure stand under Grogu and make a few lighting touch-ups. I began by applying a layer mask on my figure stand layer and painting out the stand with the brush tool. I also used the clone and stamp tool to remove the reflection of the stand on the bottom of Grogu's pram. Next, I made a couple minor touch-ups on the Razor Crest and the base of my plateau. Moving on to lighting adjustments, I added adjustment layers for levels and color balance before using the healing brush tool and content aware fill to remove all the articulation joints on Mando. Lastly, I darkened the bottom right corner of my image with a partial vignette. So once again, here's the starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!